Hello everybody, I'm in Dawson Creek in British Columbia, but I want to talk to you about Yukon, the territory north of British Columbia, which I went through twice, on the way to Alaska and then of course on the way back. On the way back I went, let's say, from Alaska to Dawson City, coming down, going south. And whereas on the way up, on the way to Alaska, I went from Whitehorse right across the Alaska Highway. And well, the main difference between British Columbia and Yukon is Yukon, of course, as it's much less inhabited and therefore it's more, I would say, pristine, and you see a lot of animals, and it's a little bit more rugged. Along the way, yesterday I saw 2 herds of bisons. Then I saw 4 times bears along the road, of course. Then what else? I saw deers. But one thing I want to talk to you about is the mosquitoes. Everybody in Europe thinks, okay, that I'm enjoying the cool weather up here in Alaska and Canada, and in a way it's true. It's definitely cooler than Europe, but there are always a lot of mosquitoes, especially if you camp by lakes, which is rather normal, I would say. But the main thing is that there is so much water all around in Yukon, in Alaska, and also in British Columbia, and it gets pretty swampy. All the areas around the road, for example. And I mean, it would sound unusual to have all these mosquitoes when it gets cold, but I think they lay their eggs in winter, and then apparently as the weather gets warmer, they come out in dozens, literally dozens. And I would say, kind of lucky. They don't like my blood that much, and I mean, of course I get them, but I would say not as much as many other people. And normally what I do, I keep some clothing on, and I may have them, let's say, on my face, but it's I can withstand them. But this is just to let you know that, you know, the cool weather is not always as you may think it is. And so see you next time. Then maybe I will report about Alberta, because I'm going towards Alberta, another state, Canadian state, Jasper and Banff. Very good, very nice areas over there. So all the best to everybody, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.